Risa Ontiveros, iniwan ni Bam at Kiko, Cheese Escudero versus Tito Soto.
Actually, naawa nga ako, ma'am, kay Senator Risa Ontiveros. She campaigned hard for her candidates, but unfortunately, I was told by my friends from the other side that they're going to support Senator Escudero.
Ayan ang mga ugong-ugong sa papalapit na 20th Congress na mag-uumpisa formally sa July 28 dahil mukhang sasapi sina Kiko Bam sa majority backing the incumbent Senate President Cheese Escudero laban kay Tito Soto.
Do you feel a sense of betrayal?
No, I don't feel a sense of betrayal kasi just as I can speak only for myself, yung sarili ko lang kalooban ang pwede kong panghawakan. I respect whatever decision my colleagues, even my closest colleagues.
Nagkaroon kasi ng ugong-ugong primarily echoed by Senator Mig Zubiri, Jinggoy Estrada, or JV, I'm not really sure, na Kiko and Bam will be backing the incumbent Senate President Cheese Escudero sa mayorya, leaving Senator Risa alone in the opposition. Now, this thing, mind you, will only be majority member in name only.